Alright, this is Porthos. We're going to do a little protection demonstration. He's already seen the helper come out, so he's very anxious to bite the helper. And I'm going to show you a dog that's got a very extreme drive here. This dog is very powerful. Positive reinforcement, early training's going to make a difference whether this dog's manageable or not. And he's got strong protection, no two ways about it. 5 months old. Just got himself a new set of teeth in 5 months. He's not even quite got him grown in yet. Doesn't slow him down a whole lot. Again, very, very powerful prey drive, but also balanced defense drive in this young dog. Out. Notice he always wants to take a deeper grip. This is genetic quality. He feels insecure with the quality of his grip. He always goes deeper. Up. Oh, good boy.
Whoa, what a grip.
Deep grip there.
Quality.
Tremendous amount of pressure from the agitator. He's not even blinking.
Hey, get back. Hey, get back. Oh, so bravo. Can always go deeper.
According to Porthos.
More than that.
5 months old. And that's Porthos.